Welcome to How to Play Hog. To play you will need 10 dice, 2 or more players, and something to keep score with. The object of the game is to score points. Points are scored based on what is rolled with the dice. If one dice rolled is a 1, the player scores no points. If no 1 is rolled, the player scores the total amount rolled. The player can roll as many times as wanted, but if a single 1 is rolled, the player will get 0 points for that round. Diana will start this game by choosing how many of the 10 dice she would like to roll. Diana chooses 4 dice to roll. Diana rolls a total of 12. She can stop rolling and score the 12 points, or risk it by rolling any number of dice again. Diana decides to score the 12 points. Play moves to Peter, who decides to roll 5 dice. Peter's roll includes a 1, and Peter will score 0 for this turn. Play moves to Wade. Wade rolls 3 dice for a total of 13. Wade decides to stop and scores the 13 points. Play returns to Diana, and players continue to take turns rolling. The first player to an agreed upon amount of points wins the game. This game is being played to 100 points. Peter scores 17 points for this roll and puts his total over 100 points. Peter wins this game. If you enjoyed learning how to play Hog and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.